Oral and maxillofacial surgery is a branch of dentistry which deals with anomalies of orofacial region. That is, we deal with extractions, any growth in the orofacial region, any trauma or aesthetic surgery related to lips, jaws, nose and etc. All this has been taught to our undergraduate students under local anesthesia and general anesthesia. This is the OT area of the department wherein all the procedures under general anesthesia take place. Here the students are trained to perform surgeries under general anesthesia wherein major surgeries like trauma and tumors take place. Here we train the undergraduate students. They are taught extractions, they are taught minor surgery, and we have the latest equipment here which is imported, and state-of-the-art facilities are provided for patient care. Right now a surgery is going on wherein a deformity of the jaw is being removed.